Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we learned how to find sum of any geometric series. So in this video we will see how we can find sum of a complicated geometric series. So this is our series x by 2 plus x by 4 plus x by 8 plus x by 16 till n. So if you see the denominator part, it is 2, 4, 8, 16, which is a geometric series. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, and then 16 multiplied by 2 is 32, and so on. So how will we solve this program? So the format will be similar. So here we will take double sum equal to 0. We will initialize sum with 0 and the data type of sum variable will be double. Why? Because we have the division operator here. So it's better to take double so that the decimal part is considered. If we only take int, then it will ignore the decimal part. And when we are dividing, we can get the answer in decimals. So that's why we should take double. So we initialized our sum equal to 0. Now we will start a loop. So we will have two variables. First is I and let's take another variable as A. Okay, so I will be for incrementing through these n terms. To go through all these n terms, we have one I variable. So I will start from 1 and I will go till n terms and then I plus plus. So before that, we need two inputs here from the user, the n value till what term you want to find the sum and the x value. What will be the x value? So so input will be x and n from user. Okay. So this is my ith loop and my second loop. Let's start it. It will start from the first term of the geometric series. So our first term is 2. So it will start from 2. And as you can see, every time it is incremented by into 2. Every time the next number is the multiple of 2. You multiply the previous number by 2, you will get the next number. So here I will write my next number is a into equal to 2. The next value of A will be A equal to A into 2, which can be written as A into equal to 2. And inside the loop, I will have my sum equal to sum, which is 0 plus x by 2, x by A value. And it will keep adding values till n terms. And since again, suppose these two are integers, so it will give the result as integer. But we want the proper answer with the decimal part, so we will typecast it, either numerator or denominator. So I have typecast double x as double. So double divided by integer will give the answer as double. So I need the proper answer with the decimal part. So that's why I have typecast it as double. And then outside the loop, I will print my sum. So let's dry run it. So I will take my n value as 3 and my x value as 8. Okay, this is the input that I got from the user. So first time my I will be equal to 1, right? And my a will be equal to 2. So if I go inside the loop, So my sum was 0 initially. So it is 0 plus x by a. X is what? 8 by a. A is what? 2. So 0 plus 8 by 2 is 4. Okay. Now let's go to the next iteration. This is my sum value after the first iteration. Now for the second iteration, my I will become 2 and my A will become 2 into 2, which is 4. So my sum will be, the previous value was 4 plus x by A. X is 8 by A. So 4 plus 2, which is 6, right? So let's go to the next iteration. Now my sum value is 6. I is equal to 3 and A will be 4 into 2, which is 8. So sum will be 6 plus x is 8 by A, which is 8. 8 by 8. So 6 plus 1, which is 7. Now, in the fourth iteration, my I will become 4, which is greater than n, right? So it will come out of the loop. It will break. So my sum value will be 7, which will be printed at the end. So this is how we are going to write our program. So let's move to our Eclipse. So, okay, let's create a class. I will give the name of the class as sum of GP series 1, or I could say complicated GP series, and this is our problem 1. I will take public static void main so that it is auto-populated. So let's take the input. I will create a scanner class. Let's import the scanner class. So first I will take the value of n from the user. Let me declare those. N and x is what I want from user. So my n is, it is an integer value, number of terms. And then I will take the value of x from the user. Let me write a comment at top. I will give double slash to write a comment. Program to find sum of, where's my word? So yeah. So this is my series. Enter x value. So I got the input n and x. Also, I will initialize my sum as 0. Double sum equal to 0. Now I will start my loop. I will start from 1 and A will start from 2. I will go till n. I will be incremented every time by 1 and A will be incremented by into 2. Sum equal to sum plus x by A. And I will typecast it as double so that I get the correct output. Outside the loop, I will print my sum value. So let's save it and let's run it. So let's take the same input as the example that we have seen before. Number of terms 3, x value I will take as 8. So I got 7.0. So as we had seen earlier, the answer should be 7. You can try any other values. Let's take this number of terms as 5 and x value as 3. So I'm getting 2.90. So you can use the calculator to calculate the 5-term series with x value as 3, and you will find out that the answer is 2.90625. So this is how we will solve this program. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.